Hey guys, we're back with another one, and this time we are under construction. If you're new here, welcome in, and if you've been here before, thank you so much for coming back. Now let's get into the video.
When the deal with strangers, the money exchange. I got my thumbs around to blow the fingerprints, make the clean, slug in between. No evidence, so we'll leave in the sea.
Pulling it off the shelf, putting it on my chain.
Good morning. Now today I'm going to be showing you that we're going to be starting a new project. But here you can see there are going to be some more drainage added in around the property. And then here is the thing, guys. You can see we have lots of steel. I don't think that this is all of it, but so steel is here. Blocks are here. Stones are here. Gravel is here. We have the cement coming, guys. We're going to be adding on to the house. So hopefully very soon I'll be able to stay here for longer periods of time and get more video for you guys. So you can see they also knocked down this area. This is the area that we built when we were getting our containers delivered. So the truck would offload the container that we weren't keeping. They would offload up here. And then for the ones that we did keep, we had built, you can see it's on like a cement platform. That's what these two that we have over here are on. So they are now tearing this platform down. Today, the guy is supposed to come and start to mark out where we're going to be adding on to the house. We already have the drawing done. So yeah, that's really exciting. Right now, Ronnie is getting ready to go and pick some jellies because our mom's church had ordered a few bottled jelly waters. Morning.
Morning.
Where you get that pine from?
By the farm on the plant, buddy.
This pine is so cute.
I'll be also for a one. Eh? Wicked man.
This is how the place is looking. See the whole way down. They have done the grass over here. It doesn't go up to the end of the property line on that side, but they've done a lot. So this is probably the most you guys have ever seen of that area right now, because we usually stop right around here, and now he's gone even further with it. So that's nice. You guys can see that as well. And then over here, you know, this is where the property line is on this side. We're more to the left. Remember, we had so much bushes and everything. So to everybody who commented about, you know, cleaning up the place for the coconuts because of the bushes, you know, we had grown up so much bushes over the past 3 months when we had 3 months of rain back to back to back. Now we are still having rain. It's not completely done as yet, but it's a lot better than it was before. So, you know, they've had more time to come over and cut. So this is the most we've ever seen of over there in a video. Look at that. Wow. They did a lot. You can also see that we do have a jelly walk. So this is our jelly walk. This is where most of our jelly trees are located. And then they have them, when you cross the river, they're like in this section going down here. Most of our jelly trees, it's very like reachable for us, because someone was saying that we should have them, you know, together. So as of right now, that's where they are. So he's about to head out now to go and deal with picking the jellies.
You have coffee in the bottle, small bottle on here.
They are really slidey, you know.
Yeah, they are.
Yeah, that's a watch all your
The ply? Yeah.
But them
Yeah.
have to take up, you know. We can't throw back things on them because them are going to rot out for a while.
As soon
And
as
make
I
the floor
move
fall, you know. But them have to take up, what you up, you know.
The amount of time we sleep on them.
Okay, let's go see what they're working on right now. What part are you guys doing today? Just lining out?
Yeah, the border crying out.
It's 7 inches plus 6 inches.
The new puppy. Look at that. Oh, she wanna. Mom! Sugar, behave yourself. Look at her, she ran over there.
And she's still, look at her.
Look at her! We just pick him up, we don't know. Yeah, no, we're trying to think of it. I don't know yet. Milo? That's such a basic name. That's so everybody named this the animal Milo. I want something tough, bad, some bad name, you know?
Bringle?
Oh, Bringle. Now you're getting there. Now you're getting there. I was so happy. You just gave me one. I was so happy it was a boy.
Boy?
Yeah, it's a boy.
You see him out there from morning.
Yeah, we were passing by and I'm
Pretty
like,
puppy.
right? Guys, he definitely likes to play a lot. Now that he's getting used to me.
Mark on the bottom mark we are working again.
Forward that.
The floor level.
The top one, man. And that was the top we are go. Eh? Come on, that's good.
He's like following him around. The guy was saying, what about Bringle?
What? Bringle? As in Bringle?
Hounds! That's his name, Hounds. We have to say it like that too. Say Hounds.
Bringle? As in Bringle?
Who's Bringle?
As in my Bringle? Call him Pringle.
Girl, bye. That didn't even get any better. First he said Milo. And I was like, that's so basic.
Please.
It's a very basic name.
Call him Lasco then. First call him Milo, call him Lasco.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. What's that?
What that's a butter board for the foundation.
That's how high it's gonna be?
Yeah, that's a floor item there.
Cheese, cheddar step.
Yeah. Then I go up there.
So I guess the floor is that's because of when it floods over here. So they're making it that high because when we have the storms, inside actually got flooded before. Last barrel when I made the video showing you guys, inside got flooded.
This way in the way right now. You have to run a line to us, you know. They really can move it.
Like, Bringle like the vibration.
Why they all naming him Bringle?
How are you doing?
I don't know.
Call him Bringle then. I look like my second name. So what's your name?
Krissy.
Krissy.
Yeah.
Kachi.
And then what's your name? Mario? Oh, that's the easiest name out here. What are you using that for?
Support them.
Oh, yeah.
Episode of the bottom. Line out the building.
Yeah.
You get to level from one level to the straight.
Oh.
Make a video.
Yeah.
What's your 40 legs going? Feel that?
Ew, why you didn't kill it while you run?
No, I run.
Is that part there?
Wait about it.
It's right there.
Come on, you're not going on. Not going on. See that?
Oh, you kill it?
Anyway,
I'm scared of them.
No, I went to come on in there.
He's alright. That's what I want.
Make you nervous now.
Yeah, no.
He said something more there.
That one was big.
What do for you?
When I saw it. Pull it on and I get the most fair prices. Sorry, fam. I'm afraid of touch it.
Bringle.
Come bring them. Come. Come bring go. Yeah, man, we done.
Yeah, man.
Everything up.
Yeah, man, I tell the boss, so when you get paid now, make some people get a beer now.
Nothing wrong with that, man. Yeah, I can't get the beer on that time before we even get paid. You know who is style, man.
Yeah, man.
You good do?
Yeah, man.
What's that eating? A guava? Oh, there's guava over there.
I want to sleep.
Ooh.
Bring go, come in.
Man, you get step on.
Ah, step on him. But in front of me, to step on him.
She doesn't like you. She hates him. She hates him so bad. You guys who've been here for a while know that Shigo was bullied by the last terrorist that we had here.
That is your pencil, brother. Honest. Oh, Lord. Right, we'll bring the...
Morning. Oh, you know what? They were looking for, trying to call somebody else to come help them. I guess that's him. So, right now they're marking out the foundation of the house.
I keep not picturing the steps, you know.
I know. So yeah, it's gonna be pretty high because you know
Thick. It's a thick
foundation, eh?
foundation right there.
I thought he was gonna stop and tell us what's happening, but okay.
Same thing. Give me a minute, like a park.
Oh, my bad. I don't know the hand language yet.
Okay.
I want to get out there something.
Yeah, let me know it's on.
This is how it's looking so far. Drawing out the building. So I guess the gravel's in the way for them, so they're gonna be moving it. I just fed him. He's underneath there eating. Should have rubbing up on me. They're still here clearing the sand. The guys who dropped everything in the way because we had some steel. It was here last night when we came. We had to move it out the way. And by the way, I didn't show you guys, we also have steel back there. I know that steel was looking a little small when I was showing it to you guys, so there it is. So that's gonna help it go a lot faster. He was eating when I left. You see how quick they are? Huh, Mom? He was eating when I left. Like, he was eating. You done eat? He ate all the food and ran out.
Yeah, boss here. Yeah, put it on YouTube.
Yeah.
Are you the vlog them?
Oh.
Start a bar.
You guys can see that they are still working on lining out the house. And then over here, Ryan is chopping some dry coconuts.
No, coconut.
Dry coconut. I asked him to chop a small jelly for me, so I'm gonna show you.
Yeah.
You know, the smallest one, because I can't afford it. These are going to be bottled out for the church.
Right place. Not quite.
Woo! They always tell me whenever it's spray out like that, that's when you know it's a good coconut.
Yes. Take out soon after that.
Thank you. Nice. One of the viewers, and he's been watching for a while, so he said, big up Ryan.
Oh, okay. Hey, big up. This is a baby.
Eh? It's a man.
It's a man?
Yes.
Nothing big me up, man. Nothing big me up.
What?
Nothing big me up.
Oh my gosh.
Respect, but without a man a big me up.
So alright, give him some respect.
Respect.
Yeah, respect. Alright.
Respect, you know, respect, guys.
Yeah, respect. Alright guys, so the countrymen do big up men. They respect. Give them respect. Yeah. Ryan, people keep asking me if there's any land around you're selling. You know about any?
Land is more by house in the car. Land around here about far away. The place is one developed because Jamaica, the place nice in the car. Where Marcus got stuff to live. We don't live. We live out the river coast. And we live on the river coast. People don't want to live in the land.
Oh, everybody live on the river banking.
River coast, black people live. Black people already.
So there's land for sale up there?
No land for sale, you know. Because if you go up there, you can just get a piece of land to, you know.
Oh, you're saying capture land?
And I really capture land, black people land, what they call crown land of the government for them land there. But otherwise, Jamaica people land there. Jamaica land
So you say if a Jamaican come, they can just take piece of land. So you're like, guys, there's no land for sale, but there's land to be taken.
Yeah.
I never said nothing. Don't tell people that I tell you guys that, you know. I'm just saying what I'm hearing.
Yeah, but in the place where road will cut to the land.
Oh, there's no road up there?
Road,
okay, the government don't have a cut now. Oh, so it's just land up there. Nobody know.
500,000 years.
Oh, wow. Wow.
The road have cut through the land them.
Oh, so it's just untouched land.
Yeah, and just crown land and some virgin land never work it.
Yeah.
On the land, the virgin, they bought virgin land.
Yeah.
It's pity grow. That's slack, you know.
So,
Slack.
so if I hear about land selling, I will let you guys know. I'll continue asking around.
Just 120, you know? Yeah, 120. You can make coconut cake.
Coconut cake?
Yeah.
You mean like greater cake?
No, coconut cake, you boil the coconuts. You cut them up and you boil them and use sugar.
For the bag, we need to get these out of the sun.
Yeah. Oh, sleep, coconut cake, 100
Get them out of the sun.
Okay.
If you make coconut cake, you make enough money to them.
Went and I got the bag for us to put the coconut inside of. I have 35, one of them. Oh, you get it. 35 dry coconut.
36 now.
No, 36. 36. Alright, so Ryan found a pumpkin and we're gonna go pick it now. That's the area where he found the pumpkin in, because as you guys saw in, I think the last, if it's not the last video, the video before that, he was clearing the area. And now this is how it looks. So around here is where he found the pumpkin.
Both of them on?
Is it ready?
Yeah, both of them ready.
Oh.
Right. Look, see that? Wait, look, here.
Yeah, yellow.
Right, look at right. Look at it. Boy, small, you know. What?
Yeah, they're small, but they look nice.
What look nice? They're nice. And broke up this one. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
You want it?
Yeah. Nice and yellow. Very nice pumpkin.
Mm-hmm. You can put it like soap with it. Bring it over there.
Hmm?
Bring this here. What about this stem?
Oh. You can show them the thing you're planting.
Yeah.
The cane. He said it's black cane,
Back in there.
sweet cane. So right around here, we had some cane back there. I've shown you guys it before. And Ryan told me some cows came over here and that they went to town on the cane. My dad actually saw them on the camera and he was trying to scare them. He was like shouting on the camera. He even turned on like dog sounds, but the cow never get deterred. What? You pulling it out to show them?
Yeah, right there. Black here.
Black cane.
Yeah, black. This one planted here, this one planted.
We also have another cane that, Ryan, is you plant that cane there?
Yeah, we planted up. Yeah, plant more.
Yeah.
When tourists come, down fire.
They say when tourists come from foreign, they can come get a piece of cane. You hear that, guys? It's you planting the cane for.
When tourists come,
So it's cleaning up the cane. Oh, you clean away the bushes.
Weed, what weed? That's it. You know, a bad weed. But you look clean and pretty. Food, you know.
Yeah.
You want to eat your food have a clean. Eh?
Yeah.
You eat dirty food. You want to eat dirty food. Time to look on it. Our stuff's starting to dry. Trying to dry out.
This ready already?
Yeah, apparently.
I can just pick it up.
He said it's yellow.
This pretty, look
Yeah, he broke it off
It
purpose.
looks dry too.
Yeah, he broke it off to show me inside. So my mom's friend gave her seeds and then that's how we ended up with
So many
pumpkins. Especially this pretty one. It's because she said she really liked the pumpkin. So she gave her the seeds from it and they've been giving us pumpkin ever since. Did she ever collect the pumpkin you had for her?
Yeah, she did.
Oh yeah, so she even get pumpkin out of it too. So this is where they've gotten the line for the house, the outline. I believe the front is on this side over here and then over there is going to be the backyard towards that side. So yeah, this is how it's looking. I reach now.
I was party join this.
Put it on.
Yeah. You start leaning on for the water already. Oh, yeah.
On your Instagram page.
Hmm?
Instagram.
Portland Estate.
Portland Estate.
Yeah, JA. Alright, when you're done, I'll let them know how to get you. Because I can't let them hire you know, and you don't finish. Suppose they take you. Suppose they take you from us.
It sound good. It sound good.
You're mad.
Sound good.
You're far like this, you know, man. Long time, I'm wait and wait.
Alright, so when you guys ready to come Portland and have people build for you, you can call them. So how they reach you then?
458 49 36. Number you.
And then what's your name?
Jeffrey.
Star Level Construction.
Star Level Construction, I like the name. So you guys hear that you can reach out to them. I'll also you moving to Portland. We go outside of Portland too?
Yeah, man, anyway.
Oh, okay. So you guys gonna see how they do. What?
Kids are sitting here. That is it.
Alright, see you drop down there.
Up you want go, you stop
Me
telling
tell him say up you want go. They say that.
They say that.
Qui on le say that. Me pas tout là. Good. That's kosher.
Yeah, cause
A long time in a year.
no, this a floor level, you know. So anyway, you have to do, you still have to go back it up with cast stone. So we're gonna clean them and rock.
After that, he finished moving the sand over here. So this is how it is. So they did pretty good job. So they only moved like half of the sand and then moved the whole thing right here. Apparently, my dad allowed them to bring their cows over here. This is what it looks like over here. You would really think something going on with him, but there's nothing wrong. Look at him. They're screaming for nothing. What? He's saying, hell no, look at those cows. Look at them.
Which way are we walking?
I don't know. And it's like muddy on this side because you know it's still been raining. And my whole foot just full of mud.
What is he doing? Every time I walk, he comes back to my foot.
So you can see there's a lot of cut.
You have to be careful. Be careful.
You see that's where they stay when they come over here. There's like a little tarpaulin. But yeah, this is how it's looking on this side. Through here, there's a path that goes up in the hills. We can walk. It's just a lot of work to walk.
And because the top of the cutlass has all of these sticks sticking out.
Okay, apparently over there is better. Everybody has named him Bringle. All the countrymen have named him Bringle. We were thinking about the name Zeus. Comment down below and let us know which one you like better and then we'll decide. Here we are going uphill, struggling. I don't know why I chose to follow her. She's leading me to my doom. Oof. Let's just climb right here and go back down. And you guys can see what's happening on this side over here. Whew.
So tomorrow, they will be planting breadfruit all over here.
Yeah, so Rada's gonna come out.
200 breadfruit.
So next time I'm back, I'm gonna show you guys all that breadfruit that's been planted. And look at over here.
Oh my gosh. I used to go over there, but it was so hard to walk.
Where coming from? I'm down there.
Let's keep moving before the watch starts.
Oh, that's the orange tree. Oh, I see a yellow one up there.
Yes, I say, I don't know if it's good or it's so light.
It looks good.
Yeah, it looks good. Oh, keep losing it.
He's behind you.
Oh my god.
Oh my goodness. I wonder if we can climb the tree if it break. You think the tree can be climbed or it would break?
A quick stick.
Oh, perfect, perfect, perfect to pick that. Look at that. Lean it up on the tree when you're done. Watch it, mine you drop it. Oh, brother. The struggle is real right here. Okay.
Why am I missing it like that? And you know what? The bottom part of the stick is very thin.
Yeah.
Very flimsy. Okay, let me go.
Let me try. Do you want me to do it?
Yeah.
So come now. Come man, cause you're taking long. So come down, no?
I'm not in the tree.
Yeah, Mom, you're still trying to pick it. What are you?
Come for the stick.
Oh my goodness, guys.
That's
Here.
what
Can I see the orange on the stick? Huh?
Yes.
Alright. Hang that right there.
Ooh.
I think this one's sweet. We got them down there. They are probably sweet oranges. Hopefully they are. I know that last time, that's sweet? Yeah, because last time we picked oranges, somebody commented
Oranges over there.
and told me that it was sour.
Yeah. And it was sour.
Yeah, and it was. They were right. So I know a lot of you. If we're wrong, you guys know. You know what it actually is.
This one is definitely sweet. You can smell it.
Yeah, it smells good. I followed my mom right through some maca. So you can see my feet. My pants are full of maca bush. I had to pick him up. Oh Lord, oh Lord, oh Lord. Okay, so they're taking off this that I started from the house. And now they're adding it to this one that's going around the house. So that was just the marker that they started with. So Dad, you're gonna have to cut some higher door frame. The door frames?
Yeah, that's going to go up.
Oh, okay.
That's to go up.
Mama, inside that boat. Inside of that. Right?
Right, don't plug it is.
Yeah, I splice it on this.
Hey.
Let me cut it so we can consider one.
Cut this one. Hold on.
Still there my one brother. So you're going to
Cut it there. Cut it on. Cut it. Mark it there. I use one and couple it.
Team. 16. Alex. 21.
Bam. One side got no one. And this side. Yeah, can you bench up in the inside?
Outside, longer outside. What's up?
Couple of. Half an hour, bring us up. Come here, son.
Hello, Krissy.
Good thing.
This is the last part. Yo, see how this thing?
No, put on the inside.
You don't want to hear on that screen. Well, it makes sense now. I see him think me that left with it. What are you
No, man, now you may ask when I this tattoo. I'm a rocker.
So this is where I'm going to end this video today. You saw they did the line out. You saw that we have all the gravel and the blocks and everything over here. And yeah, we're going to keep you updated. Thank you so much for watching. You know what to do down below. Do the right thing, please, and thank you. Comment down below and let me know what you think, guys. So until next time, we will talk soon. Here he is coming over to the house with us, guys. So cute.
Thank you. I was gonna U-turn and go back, you know. This one. You gonna put it on the way it will start to this it will turn? Yeah? Okay. What's the next one? Oh, alright. Well, let's see what
Thank you.
Take care. Thank you so much. Thank you very much. Bye.